Hey everyone! In this video, we're gonna talk about Google Workspace and Zoom. Both are packed with AI and deep integrations, but one is clearly better depending on how your team actually works. Now, let's break it down the 4 key differences you need to know. 1. Ecosystem versus standalone. First, let's talk about the all-in-one factor. Google Space isn't just a video tool. It's your email, storage, and docs. Google Meet is built directly into your calendar and Gmail. No downloads required, it just runs in your browser. While Zoom Workplace is a specialized platform. While it now includes Zoom Docs and Zoom Mail, but the main thing here is the desktop app. But that extra software gives it a level of stability and feature depth that a browser just can't match. 2. Meeting features and AI. When it comes to the actual meeting experience, Zoom is the winner for big presentations. You get advanced breakout rooms, high-end webinar tools, and the AI companion, which is now included in most paid plans for free to summarize meetings and draft follow-ups. While Google Meet is built for speed. It's better for quick internal syncs. It uses Gemini AI to take notes and even translate 30+ languages in real time. However, many of these pro features are now bundled into higher tier Workspace subscription. So check your plan. 3. Security and access. Security has been a hot topic for both. Google uses enterprise-grade security by default because it's tied to your Google account. It's incredibly hard to enter a Meet call if you aren't invited. And Zoom has caught up significantly since the early days. It offers end-to-end encryption, but you often have to toggle it on. Zoom is generally better for external meetings with clients because it's so universal, and everyone knows how to click a Zoom link. 4. The pricing truth. Finally, the cost. Google Space starts around $8.40 per user, which gives you the entire suite. It's the best value if you need email and storage anyway. While Zoom starts around $16 per user for the Pro plan. It's more expensive per person, but for large-scale events or companies that need a dedicated virtual office with built-in phone systems, the premium price is often worth it. And that's pretty much it. So choose Google for seamless daily work, and choose Zoom if meetings are your work. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.